let's get back to basics with CIH Equipment Company and eGas Depot. Before you turn on the Dusttrak, first you will have to clean the internal filter. Replace the filter by opening the plastic casing. Before putting the new filter in, clean the plastic case and the mesh inside using canned air or compressed air. This allows for accurate readings, or the Dusttrak will not work properly. Next, on the interface, tap Reset Internal Filter Mass and reset it to 0. How to do a zero check. Take a plastic tube and attach it to the inlet located on the top of the Dusttrak. Next, attach the zero filter to the tubing. Once the zeroing is done, you tap on the main screen and tap Start to begin a normal reading. Please be sure to watch more videos of Back to Basics, and remember, we're here to help with your health and safety equipment calibrations. Just call us or give us a visit at cihequipment.com and find calibration gases and safety equipment at egasdepot.com.